morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying at your home. Now, the next unit which we are going to start is Unit 5, Lines and Angles. First, we are going to study about angles. Now, what is an angle? Let us recall. Whenever two rays, they start from the same point, then they make an angle. These are the arms of the angles, and this point is known as the vertex of the angle. Now here we are going to study about related angles, and in this category the first type which we are going to study are complementary angles. Now what are complementary angles? If two angles have the sum equal to 90 degree, then we can say that these are complementary angles. Suppose one angle is 40 degree, another is 50 degree, then what is their sum? Their sum is 90. So yes, these are complementary angles. If one angle is 45 degree, the other is 40 degree, then are these complementary angles? Their sum is equal to 85 degree, not equal to 90 degree. So no, these are not complementary angles. So you may get a question, if I say one angle is 30 degree, what will be its complement? Then what will be its complement? Its complement would be 90 minus 60 equal to 30 degree, because 30 and 60 will together make 90. So the complement of 60 degree angle is 30 degree angle. Similarly, what is the complement of 35 degree? Again, it is 90 degree minus 35 degree. So its complement is 55 degree. Next type of angle which we are going to study are supplementary angles. Now what are supplementary angles? If two angles are such that their sum is 180 degree, then those are known as supplementary angles. Remember, complementary angles, the sum should be 90. If they are supplementary angles, their sum should be 180. If two angles have got a sum of 180, for example, if I have 110 degree and 70 degree, if I find out their sum is equal to 180 degree. So yes, these are supplementary angles. If I have 90 and 80, then what is their sum? 170. No, these are not supplementary angles. Now you may get a question, an angle is of 100 degree, find its supplement. So how will you find out its supplement? We know that supplementary angles, their sum is 180. So for finding out supplementary of 100 degree, we have to subtract it from 180. So its supplement would be 80 degrees.
Start.
Third type of related angles are adjacent angles. Now understand them very carefully. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they fulfill three conditions. If they fulfill these three conditions, only then they will be adjacent. First, they should have a common vertex. Second, they should have a common arm. And third, that their non-common arms should lie on the either side of common arm. Now let us understand this with the help of the figure. Suppose I have taken these two angles. Let us name this as an angle 1 and let us name this as angle 2. Now these are the two arms of angle 1 and these are two arms of angle 2. This arm is common. So they have a common arm. If we give the name to this angle, then this is angle AOB. The vertex is O. If I give name to this angle, if I name this angle, this is angle BOD. Again the vertex is O. So yes, they have a common vertex. So these two angles are such that they have the common vertex, they have the common arm, and when this is the common arm, the non-common arms should lie on either side of the common arm. नॉन कॉमन आर्म के अलग अलग साइड पे दोनों, सॉरी कॉमन आर्म के अलग अलग साइड पे दोनों नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स आनी चाहिए. सो इफ दे आर ऑन द आइदर साइड, then these three conditions are fulfilled and these two angles are known as adjacent angles. Let us take one more figure. If I take this as angle 1 and this as angle 2, this angle 1 means AOC and angle 2 is AOD. Do they have common vertex? Yes, their vertex is common. Do they have common arm? AOC and AOD. Yes, AO is common. But if I put my hand on this common arm, do the other two arms lie on the either side of the common arm? No. So these are not adjacent angles. Angles are adjacent if they fulfill all these three conditions. That means they should have a common vertex, they should have a common arm, and their non-common arms should lie on the either side of the common arm. अगर आप अपना hand common arm पे रखो तो बाकी दोनों arms अलग अलग side पे होनी चाहिए, एक side पर नहीं होनी चाहिए. Only then these angles are known as adjacent angles.